Hi, I'm Becky Livingston, founder of Pen Heel Marketing, and today I'm going to talk to you about B2B marketing using a really interesting perspective, inspired by the art of gardening. Just like in the garden, the right tools, knowledge, and techniques help your business bloom. So let's get growing. Every successful garden starts with planting the right seeds. In B2B marketing, that means identifying your target market, understanding the needs, and developing the right message to reach that audience. So let's start with research. The first thing you want to do is research. Begin by researching your target market, creating a buyer persona to represent your ideal customers, and identifying their pain points, goals, and preferences. The next thing you want to talk about and think about is their niche marketing. Don't try to plant every kind of seed in your garden. Focus on specific needs and the preferences of your target audience to tailor your marketing strategy and to address those needs. Number 3, craft your message. Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, create a message that resonates with them. Use clear, concise language that communicates your value, proposition, and how your products and services can solve their problems.